A couple of questions you might be asking. How did I make this ball of yarn? How did I connect all these colors together like you see in those cool little multicolor yarns you see in the stores? And you want to make your own combo? Okay, then stay tuned. Okay, in my case, I used about 7 different colors. It's up to you how many you want to use. It doesn't really matter. Next, you're going to need a pair of scissors. I have a needle. And this one is a blunt one, but I highly recommend you use a pointed one. It goes through the yarn a little bit better. Okay, grab your first color choice and pull out a string. Choose a second color, pull out a string. And then you're going to take these 2 strings and you're going to cross them over, just like this. Boop. Pick up your needle and just start threading it on. Once that is done, we're going to pick up the same yarn, just the other end, making sure we have that other color of yarn looped through and just hanging loose. And then we're going to start threading this needle through. Once you're done with that part, pull the needle all the way through, making sure that other piece of yarn is looped through and secure. Then we're going to pull the needle through. If it looks all bunchy like that, then you're doing good. Now we're going to pick up the end of the other color of yarn and we're going to thread the needle through. Now you can start pulling that needle through and just pulling the end through. So it's starting to look like this. You're doing very well. Take each one of the working yarns, which is the yarns that are coming out of the ball, and start pulling them, and then it gets secured together. And that's really tough. You cannot separate those 2 pieces. So then if you have any extra yarns left over, just cut that. And this is how it should look. Now at this point, you're going to roll your first color into a ball like this, and then proceed to wrap the other color. I like wrapping my yarn like this so that you can see the other color that's underneath it. I don't know why. I'm just weird. So I finally chose my third color. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to show you again what I just did. So you take those two colors and you cross them over. Fix your yarn apparently, because it's got to be perfect. There. Take your needle. Be sure that that other yarn color is on the loop there and it's not going to fall through, and start threading again. Again, if it looks all bunchy like this, you did it right. And start pulling those ends through. Okay, now grab your scissors and cut off the excess yarn. And get back to rolling. For future references, I'm going to use a ball winder for this. You can do that also. You just do it the same concept, but instead of rolling it yourself, you just spin the wheel on your little yarn winder and go from there. So there you go. You have your own little ball of yarn using your own little colorway, using as many colors as you want or as less colors as you want, whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. It's your yarn that you made yourself. So what does this yarn look like when you make it into an item? It will look just like this. Doesn't it look so cool? I love the way all those colors, I don't know why I picked those colors, but I'm pretty glad I did. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you'll be able to use this video for yourself. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share your finished products with me through Instagram at Martian Creations.